Hello everybody, my name is Matt McClure. I'm the executive chef here at Hilton Dallas Park Cities. I am joined today doing this cooking demonstration for you by wonderful sous chef, Chef Andre Smith.
Hello everyone, pleasure to be here. Hey Chef, what are we going to be having today?
Gluten-free shrimp tacos. I know it's a crowd favorite for our locals, and it's something that you and I actually had an amazing experience making. So let's go ahead and get started into that. First things first, what we'll do is we will start with making our tortillas. So what we have here is a half cup of masa. We'll add that to our bowl. Over here we have our chicken stock that's in a pot that's been warming up to approximately about 125 degrees. And what we'll do is we're going to add that to it, about a quarter cup. And be careful, it might be a little bit hot, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a spoon and we're going to slowly start to mix the masa together. What you might need to do is add a little bit more, just so it and as you mix this together, it will start to harden. Once it's to about this stage, what you'll do is you'll cover it and you'll set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it finish. What you'll have is masa that's firm, yet it's really soft. So what we'll do is we're going to come over here, we're going to grab our tortilla press. We're going to set our 1 ounce masa ball in here. Flatten it out really nicely. From there, what we have is tortilla. We're going to add that to our hot pan that's sitting here over medium-high heat. So a very simple recipe. And it's about a minute on either side. And while those are going, what we'll do is we'll come over and we'll start heating up our saute pan to start getting our shrimp ready to go. So for our rock shrimp, what we're going to do is we're going to do about a tablespoon of butter into the pan. It's already been preheated to a nice low medium. And what you want to do is you want to melt that down. Right here we have our rock shrimp. We'll have Cajun Seasoning, and we have minced garlic. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to have our butter melting. Then we're going to add our shrimp. About a cup of rock shrimp. From there you're going to start the cooking process, and you want to make sure that it is no longer translucent by the time it's done. So once the shrimp start the cooking process, we'll go ahead and add our Cajun seasoning. We'll add about a teaspoon, a little bit more, a little bit of garlic, never hurt anybody. And we'll add that, and we'll cook those down. While those are going, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to flip our tortillas, and they're looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up pulling them out, and we let them sit. Be careful, it's hot. So in your saute pan, the way it should look is nice, fully coated. Not fully done cooking yet, but what we'll do is we'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. And while we're waiting on that, what we'll do is we'll make our dynamite sauce. So with our dynamite sauce, we have about a tablespoon of Siracha. We have our honey, locally sourced from the Texas Honeybee Guild. And we have our mayonnaise. What we're going to do is we're going to add our mayo. We'll take our sriracha, add our sriracha, and we'll do a nice honey. What we'll do is mix that together. Add a little bit, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, nice flavoring, nice seasoning. Mix that together, set that aside, and you have your Dynamite sauce. We'll take a look at our shrimp, just about done cooking. We'll cut that off, we'll just let that sit. So, our next step, what we're going to do is we're going to mix the slaw dressing. So we have our Dynamite sauce, and what we're going to be doing is we have shredded purple and green cabbage. What we'll end up doing is we'll take a good handful of those, put them into our container. We have our Dynamite sauce. You can add a little bit here and there, or you can do a good amount to soak up into the cabbage to really enhance that flavor. So what we'll have here is our Dynamite slaw. What we'll do is our shrimp is done cooking. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up building our tacos. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our slaw, top that off, right on top. And what we have here are gluten-free, homemade from scratch, Dynamite Rock Shrimp Tacos.
Smells good. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You guys enjoy. Test it out.
Stay safe.